Well, I've been meaning to do another video, and obviously, if you're going to do a video, you have to have some sort of song musical thing that works pretty well. And I have some ideas, but I don't, have it totally planned out. So it's going to take a lot of editing before, like, I'm comfortable in making another video. But so my next video, I was trying to come up with an idea, and I was kind of hoping not to have to use the particular idea, but I think I have to get it out of my system. And that is that I had an idea where, let's say you're on the Earth and it's post-apocalyptic, very much like Blade Runner. There might be like simultaneously somewhere more nice, kind of in the universe. We still don't know if you can actually go to other places in the universe, but it has to do with the coexistence of a sort of a bad place and a better place. So I'm gathering up the samples of things I need to define. Turns out the last thing I did, there weren't actually that many samples that I did myself. But this one I'm expecting to do more. Trouble with a lot of these samples is if you have like a sound font, different note ranges have things that are different about them. Whenever you're using the sampler straight out and you play different note ranges, everything comes with the sample. Everything is skewed by the same pitch. So in a way you have to, what I did like last time is you can use a modulator and have basically a modulator between two inputs in Buzz Tracker. But what you can also do is you could make a bunch of samples that are slightly different and make a sound font yourself out of them. So this audio effects program, like you can't, like this doesn't like really exist anymore. Like maybe somebody has it somewhere, but to me it's a thing that like I've always used to make samples with. And I think even Tom Ellard was saying this is a great tool. I think he was in some magazine, he put out that he was saying this is like a really great tool. But I don't know if this developed into anything, but I have no knowledge of a tool like this one here, where you have the usual analog building blocks. And it anyway, here's the first sound. And trouble is, in my computer, it's supposed to be, this one is supposed to be a mono sample, but my sound card doesn't play back mono sample, so I can incorporate it, but it cannot directly access my sound card. But here's the first sound, which is like something like it's supposed to be like hitting something metal, right? Which anyway, I won't get into exactly how it works, it's too boring. Okay, so this one here has to do with a background environment. We're computing up to 50. Yeah. So what we have here is we actually have a single white noise generator, and parts of it it's pushed through various little frequency ranges, and it's split into two things that are kind of interfering. And yeah, so it's putting through a bunch of sets of filters that are like in different places. Okay, so this. Okay, and here's another one here, and this has to do with sort of a mechanical sound. And what I do is I create like a little sound fragment, and it's just a little bump with nothing. Then it gets repeated at exactly the sound level as before. So it's basically repeating a little piece over and over again. Then that piece gets split into 3 frequency ranges and then reassembled in its own levels. and there's a bit of a stereo effect there. Okay, so this one has similar composition to the other one, but it's a slightly different sound. It's got a little bit of frequency effect. That comes from this part here, modifying this filter range.